God. Now, how you see Chelsea performance for inside this match?
I'm not really this shocked for the game though, because I know it's not a derby game and definitely in a tough game. West Ham home not the place where you just come get easy win. They don't beat definitely almost all the big teams this season, so I know it's not a very tough game. But I believe say what go wrong for the game now the substitution. Not be our fault, not be the coach fault. Say bring in Lukaku. Now
No
just
be
say
lie.
have a game in injury, so the substitution really damage the game. So because Lukaku just stand like say and I just get cheap for there. They just tie him down. The game plan just die. Yeah.
You know, say for a long run now, Chelsea they for one fantastic form when be like say that they win back-to-back games, and we know say this Chelsea team are one of the teams to look up to. You think say this London derby loss now to West Ham United go affect Chelsea for the title race?
For me, what thing I believe will go affect Chelsea for this long run for the league title. Now, how fast when our players go return? Because she were not in the game. Kante, the engine room, will not in the game.
Mm.
It will affect Chelsea for a long run because we don't see him. Everybody they obvious say Marcos Alonso. Since when I dey watch Marcos Alonso, this is not the worst former I don't see so far. Since when I dey watch Marcos Alonso, this is not the worst former I don't see so far. And no perfect person will go fill in that left back. I not see. You see where they play Hudson. If they lack defensive, they have a problem. Only that attack when they go. Defensive, they na problem to us. Then talk of Kante. Kante na the NG room. Jorginho can do the work alone. You know, they doing the dirty work for that midfield. But this Loftus Cheek no go fit do am. Na more of attacking midfielder. So na just because of the way the situation dey, that make they play him and Jorginho. Nobody's going to do dirty work here. Jorginho not be a rough player wey go do dirty work, wey dey go box to box, they run around, they do the tackling. No, you want just to create chance and lead attack. Na wetin him dey do. So if these two people still dey miss, Chelsea go drop more points.
All right, now I want to ask you about two of the goals when Chelsea conceded today. The first error will come from that miscommunication between Jorginho and Edward Mendy, and also the last goal when Masuoko for West Ham United score. That ball when one be like seen across before, but the ball come beat Mendy. How you see Chelsea defending for today match?
The defending, first of all, I go start with the first problem start with Marcos Alonso. We see him against Manchester United. We see the performance from Marcos Alonso because
Mm.
even the second goal, Marcos Alonso not fit, though we know say he not be that physical player. He not fit shadow that guy out. So that make he lose that ball and
Yes.
that go come. But what thing I dey talk be say for Mendy, I no go blame Jorginho to give that back pass because this na the pattern of game when we dey play. Definitely na this kind of ball we dey play. We dey lay back
Mm.
pass several times. But Mendy maybe not expect the ball say they come. But as a professional wey be, you no need to dey play that thing when you do for there. Na just to kick the ball away. Put am for corner, just play the ball out. Na what you supposed to do for there. So I don't know,
Yeah.
maybe you not expect the ball or maybe that tension make am create that chance. And that thing give them opportunity to get the penalty and you not get over that thing on throughout the 90 minutes. You not get over that. If you watch him, when they give am back pass, he go come you just like saying he don't dey form since say, first half, he don't dey form. So it affect the performance of the game. Not be saying na really a defensive issue. But the defensive one I see for them are just Marcus Alonso. Normally when you dey play against Antonio, he go bully you now. He na bully now. He know they do the scoring now. Bully they bully. So, but I believe say Mendy error come because he lose the concentration for the game. So that make all those things happen.
All right, now make I ask you about that Chelsea forward line currently because we know say most of the goals where Chelsea they scored this season, they come from the person where the players they are number nine. But I want to ask you about one particular player, Romelu Lukaku, big money transfer signing for Chelsea, and I want player will be like say come with many fanfare, many jubilation comes if Chelsea don't finally get that number 9, we go deliver. But so far, since that move from Inter Milan when you win the Scudetto last season to Chelsea, Romelu Lukaku don't score only 3 goals so far. You think, say, Romelu Lukaku the flop for Chelsea because say many players don't come Chelsea where like say they give them that number 9 JC, they no fit perform. You think say Romelu Lukaku the flop currently, and you believe say that Chelsea JC number 9 get one course. How you see the matter?
Two problems there. Lukaku not fit into Chelsea plan. You're not fitting. Lukaku dey stand. You know the two drop in. Lukaku na standing now. You know the two drop and back. I don't know. Maybe that Thomas Tuchel pattern. You know the two drop back. So each time they play Lukaku, they make that flexibility where they come from both the midfield and the defenders. You know the work because each time the defenders move, they'll just want to jump the ball to the center box for Lukaku to take them to score. So with the lack that flexibility where they move around, So each time Lukaku plays. So I miss that the pattern. Lukaku not suiting to the pattern. And secondly, Chelsea number 9 jersey is cost. Chelsea number 9 jersey is cost. We will not need any other proof again. It don't soon happen. So more defenders where we are, midfielders where we are, Sidwell, Bularus, where we are, all of them flop. I know some Chelsea fans will say Tammy Abraham not flop. If you not flop, why will you sell him? One will take and say maybe you not fit into maybe not the Tuchel plan, but definitely he couldn't make it. If he was a top-notch player with that number 9 shirt, definitely don't let the house now. Nobody they throw away who they prime now. So I don't believe say he gave his best at Chelsea. So that I believe number 9 shirt is cost.
All right, now no be like Ogaka God, but make I ask you, with what you see from Romelu Lukaku now, you think say Chelsea need to bring another striker to come in for January transfer window?
Yes, Chelsea needs striker because Kai Havertz, first of all, Havertz not be number 9. If the first time Chelsea dey plan, which they even favor us most times. It favor us because if you watch the game, when Kai Havertz did this game, Chelsea they dominate West Ham. But when Lukaku come in, they don't say, oh, this is their front man. They just mark her out. Chelsea lose plan because they're not that flexibility. They're not calling field one again now. They can't lose concentration. They only play okay. Make we see who can score. And West Ham, is a fall back. Forget it. That's what the game is. So I never immediately Lukaku come in. I don't say if Chelsea he manage hold big goal and draw. Honestly speaking.
All right, now no be like Ogaka God. Before I go let you go, make I ask you one more question. You still there with the performance that Chelsea give today? You still there confident say Chelsea if win this league this season?
I never rate Chelsea say Chelsea will win the league from the onset. Maybe some Chelsea fans will go what is now with the verse. The only thing when I talk to Chelsea if we win this season the Champions League, that's what I believe. Because I still tip Man City for the league title, 100%. Chelsea fan, I know your feel because I'm a Chelsea fan. I never tip Chelsea, but from the onset, I never tip Chelsea for this thing. Because definitely I know say we go drop points. And if you check history, they come. When Chelsea they win league, they come. Each time the top league enter January, then they win them. And we don't drop points already. Since we don't drop points, and we will lose money for January. I believe I don't know if Ghana qualify, maybe Hudson. So I believe we will still drop points. Except say we fix the situation very, very fast. Until then come back, Chilwell come back, they will go back to our form. I know the situation to win the league.
All right, now Ogaka God, thank you for your time. It's too much. We hope say Chelsea will put smile for your face and all the evangelistic Chelsea fans for the games when they come. Make you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thank you, Baba.